My name is Dr. Tom Baer, and I serve as Deputy Director of the OHSU Knight Cancer Institute in Portland, Oregon. I'd like to take a moment today to talk with you about a new book that I just recently published together with Larry Axmaker, who is a prostate cancer survivor, a patient, and a clinical trial participant. Larry and I feel very strongly that the progress that we make against cancer is made possible by clinical trials where patients volunteer to participate to try new medicines in an experimental setting. Over the years, I found that the knowledge that's available to patients out there about clinical trials is really incomplete, and Larry and I got together to write a book about it. In the book, we talk about clinical trials really from A to Z. We would like to share with you what they are, how they work, what kinds of clinical trials there are. We also share with you how, if you decide you're interested in learning more, how you do that, what resources are out there to learn more about clinical trials, and to find a clinical trial that might work for you. We give you practical tips about how to talk to your doctor about clinical trials, what to expect from your research team, what they might expect of you, how to make your case with your insurance company if there's any issues with payment for your treatment if it's part of a clinical trial. We talk a bit about our top 10 list of clinical trials that really changed cancer care, and close with a vision of cancer care of the future. We believe that cancer care will increasingly be personalized and driven by an understanding of each person, both as a human being and each person's cancer and its own unique biology, with treatments designed to match those so that they can work the best, both with respect to efficacy against cancer and side effects. So we see a vision for personalized medicine, which we think will be first tested in clinical trials. Finally, we include in the book a glossary of terms and a list of cancer drugs commonly used in clinical studies. And we hope that this book will make considering clinical trials just a little bit easier. You can find this book on Amazon.com, Barnes & Noble, and anywhere else where you look for books. We also have a blog at www.cancer-clinical-trials.com. And on that blog, we try to share with you about once or twice a week some interesting tidbits about cancer research, and also talk a bit more about our book. So thank you very much for your attention, and I hope that you find our book helpful.